Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking how to redeem the Microsoft rewards without using a phone number, in today's video we are going to guide you quickly and show you how we can do so without using a phone number. It is possible, but with some limitations available. So let's break it down. So Microsoft rewards sometimes ask for phone number verification to prevent the bots, but we can still redeem certain rewards without one. For that, you can head over to browser, and some of the methods do not require verification, such as Xbox game, gift cards, etc. So you can go to rewards.microsoft.com .microsoft.com and hit enter, and that should probably take you to the Microsoft rewards page right here. So this is my available points right here. You can look out for your points as well, and if you want to redeem it, you can open this option of redeem and head over to the redeeming page. So you can just go over and redeem the one that you prefer. You can look out for the option of, you can just basically go ahead and pick up a reward that does not show additional verification required. So for example, Roblox digital card, you can select an option, you can auto redeem it. And if it does not require verification, you can just go over and redeem it. You can even look out for your status, refer and earn, etc. to go ahead and do so. And there you should be finding a bunch of redeeming options. You may just go over and look out for the one that you can redeem. If you want to redeem a code, look out for redeem a code and select it. After you do so, you just need to enter up your code here. Once you enter up your code, you can just go over and click on next and try redeeming it. If phone verification will be asked, you can try redeeming any other code. If not, you can just go and redeem the one that you prefer. Sometimes you can change your reason to the one that does not require the phone verification. Some countries do not force phone verification for gift card. You can try switching to United States, Singapore, Hong Kong, UAE, etc. So you can go over to your profile of your Microsoft account. And once you go to your profile, you can go to the country and reason section. Or if not that, you can even try using a VPN instead. While you are using or redeeming the code, you can just go over and do so. If you're in your account section, you can directly go ahead and either look out for address book section, where you can just go over and update your address book by changing up your billing info or your delivery address. That should also work out. Or you can go to your info section as well, and there look out for country or reason section if available. This one right here, select it, and within there you can switch up to a different country. You can click on send code and enter the code first and try changing it to a different country. You can select this option right there, and there you'll be finding different country option. You can choose one and directly click on this option called save, and that should also probably work out for you. You can then go ahead and try redeeming it, and that should probably bypass the phone verification, and that's it. So that is it, everybody. You may try following up this method to avoid those rewards and redeem on your Microsoft account. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.